All right, hello. So I hear you are having an issue making your font bold, or choosing the bold font. So the font that you want is Arno. So I have two here because I want to show you two things. The first thing is if I click on the type tool and let me just go ahead and select all the text. Let me go into my properties panel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Arnold Font. Now I've downloaded this font just for you, so I know that I have the font. However, if I did not have this font, I would click on Add Fonts from Typekit. It would tell me that there are several versions of the font. I would go ahead and grab that font from Typekit and bring it in. I'm only going through this because I know you're new to the program, so I just want to make sure um, you understand that part. All right, but I have the font, and when I go in here, I have a lot listed. Now, I know that you want it bold, so I'm going to choose Arnold Bold Subhead. I'm going to select that one. And then if I wanted this part regular, I'll just select that word, the first word, and then choose regular. Now, that pretty much is how you would get your fonts bold and regular. But I'm kind of assuming you know how to do that part. So the other thing that was suggested to you by someone in the forum is to make your other font to do a faux bold. And you say you didn't know how to get to that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select Lorem. Let's say we want to just make this part bold and keep this regular. Well, first, let's make the whole thing, just so that we don't confuse you. Let's make the whole thing Arnold, A-R-N-O. I'm going to make the whole thing Arnold regular. All right. And so this time we're going to make Lorem bold, but we're gonna, just like yours, you said that there's no bold there, so we're gonna do the faux bold. So what we do for this one is we have to go to our character panel. So the character panel is right here. If you don't see the character panel, you can go up to Window, and then you can just go down to and search for character. And as soon as you see character, you click that, and the character panel will open up for you. Mine is already open, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the character panel. And inside of the character panel, I have lots of options. Strike through, from italic to all caps to small caps. But what we want is this first T, that is the bold T. And this is how you get what's called a faux bold or fake bold. Click it, and now notice it made the first word bold and the second word is regular. So I am hoping that this video helped you. If so, awesome. If not, let us know and we will further troubleshoot with you. All right, ta-ta for now.